So I always say to all the aspirants, please, rather than blindly starting your studies, please give time to approach this basic strategy. Take your time, take 3 days, 4 days, take a week, but always have this broad target in your mind. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आप जो है 24 घंटे अपने प्लान कीजिए कि मैं सुबह इतने बजे उठूंगा, इतना इतना सुबह सुबह ये करूंगा. प्लीज, दैट इज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड, बट यू नीड अ ब्रॉड टारगेट. एंड इसके अंदर फिर ऑब्वियसली यू हैव सर्टेन स्मॉल टारगेट्स. फॉर एग्जांपल, इन 15 days आई हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस पर्टिकुलर सेक्शन. दैट दीज आर फीजिबल टारगेट्स. एंड व्हेन यू हैव अ टारगेट इन योर माइंड, your body automatically functions to achieve that target. People say कि students say कि हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा वो कहाँ कैसे करें, रोज इतनी मेहनत कैसे करें, मोटिवेशन कहाँ से लाएं. That will come when you have clear proper targets in your mind. So that is why having a proper strategy approach is very, very important in my opinion. Okay, so if you have not developed this particular approach right now, go home and develop that, rather than just opening the books and and just studying for the sake of it. Okay, so always have this clear cut approach in your mind. Right. कोई भी अगर मेरा रिजल्ट भी क्लेम कर रहा है, दैट मे बी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ अ मॉक इंटरव्यू. सो आई डिड नॉट टेक कोचिंग फॉर जीएस. सो जो जुलाई अक्टूबर एंड का स्टेज था, आई हैड मैक्सिमम टाइम फॉर माई ऑप्शनल. इफ यू आर वर्किंग, सपोज यू आर टेकिंग कोचिंग इन जीएस ऑल्सो, देन ऑल्सो इट इज परफेक्टली फाइन. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप नहीं कर पाएंगे, बिकॉज श्रेयांश ऑल्सो यूज टू डू इट. Many successful candidates have done it, but you have to adequately manage your time, right? हो सकता है आप 1 घंटा ना दे पाए तो आधा घंटा दे दीजिए. But that was how I work. It depends on your circumstances. If you think that okay, note ये question answer, model answers are taking too much time, then maybe you can develop short notes. That depends on you. मैं आपको अब जो है बस alternatives दिखा सकता हूँ. Ultimately, you have to decide on yourself, by yourself, based on your circumstances, right?
Sir, there are few questions like is marriage universal? इसका आंसर हमारे नोट्स में होता है बना बना, तो उसको कैसे मॉडिफाई कर सकते हैं?
नहीं, मतलब ये आंसर, फॉर एग्जाम्पल देयर आर सर्टेन आंसर्स दैट सर डिक्टेट यू, मोर और लेस दे आर वेरी गुड. उनको तो आप याद कर लीजिए. अगर सपोज से इफ यू थिंक देयर इज अ स्कोप ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक बुक ऐड कर दी मैंने, मैं वो बुक ढूंढ के और ले आया ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा बस. बट जो सर डिक्टेट करते हैं मेजोरिटी ऑफ द टाइम्स, आई डोंट थिंक देयर इज एनी नीड फॉर चेंजिंग देम. या फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई मस्ट हैव रिटन अराउंड 500 to 600 क्वेश्चंस, और मैंने याद भी कर लिए थे सारे. That is not difficult. ऐसा नहीं है कि you might be thinking that I am a genius or something. No, भाई I am a very average student. I have always been. ठीक है, but the thing is कि these were my developed answers. That is what ultimately mattered. मैंने खुद ने बनाए थे majority बैठ के घंटे घंटे भर तक. अब मैं ही नहीं याद कर पाऊँ तो मुझसे गया गुजरा कौन हो सकता है, right? So that can happen. If you are able to develop in this particular stage, so in your case maybe suppose October end or November, whatever it is, before pre, then after pre your task is to continuously revise them and work upon them, improve certain sentences, maybe add one or two points, but you have to do it right now. अगर pre से पहले कर लिया, then it makes your position very, very comfortable. You all have 1 year right now, right? Majority of you. So in your case, it is absolutely feasible. That is why I always highlight on the role of strategy, approach.
Sir, during the period of 4 months, what did you do for these only newspapers?
In this case, this period, I used to read the newspaper and I used to write daily answers. 3-4 answers I used to write, ताकि आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस तो चालू हो, है ना. ऑब्वियसली तब आई डिड नॉट हैव इनफ स्किल टू राइट अ 3-hour पेपर ऑन दिस जीएस टॉपिक्स, तब नहीं थी मेरे पास. एज आई सेड, ठीक है, आई हैड गिवन वन प्री, बट आई हैड ओनली सुपरफिशियल नॉलेज, दैट टू ओनली रिलेटेड टू प्रीलिम्स. आई हैड स्टार्टेड इन मार्च 2017 और मैंने फिर जून में वो प्रीलिम्स दे दिया था, राइट. सो इसलिए इन दिस पर्टिकुलर स्टेज आई वाज फोकसिंग मेनली ऑन ऑप्शनल, बट आंसर राइटिंग में करता था ताकि उस जीएस के लिए भी मेरे पास आने लग जाए. एंड देन नवंबर से फेब्रुवरी आई फील February end in my case, so I felt that that was enough time to prepare maximum topics. ऐसा नहीं है कि I was able to complete 100% topics of GS. मैं GS4 I did not touch before pre. Certain topics of GS 1 to 3 also, but maximum I was able to do. It is perfectly feasible because I had all the time to myself. Maybe that also helped. मैं coaching तो जाता नहीं था किसी GS की.
Sir, if some static question occurred in that period, did you refer to the sources for that?
Static question occurred मतलब?
You followed secure for 4 months.
Yeah.
This period. And if you followed only the current questions or static ones?
Current editorials. The editorials which I was reading, I used to attempt questions on them. There are platforms. For example, there are platforms like Insight Secure, IS Baba, and all these platforms. So, यार आई यूज टू अपलोड, बट जनरली वो टाइम कंज्यूमिंग बहुत हो जाता था. अब क्या आप उसको अपलोड करोगे एंड देन पीपल 1 or 2 विल कमेंट एंड देन यू विल काउंटर कमेंट, फिर आप लगे ही रहोगे, पूरा डिस्कशन चल रहा है. सो जनरली आई यूज टू राइट, आई यूज टू एनालाइज माई सेल्फ, सी द टॉप आंसर्स, 1 or 2 top answers, and just evaluate introduction, step by step introduction, the main body, the conclusion, and just see what was a better way of presenting. उनका कोई better point है, मेरा कोई better point है. So I used to just self evaluate. That I believed was more time efficient as well as more rewarding as well. अच्छा, yeah.
These model answers and the answers that you wrote, did you write it in the notes or did you use a tool like Evernote?
I used to write it on paper, but I also used online for some of them. So you can do it online as well. I think I will recommend, मतलब, but the thing is that you have to show to sir as well, right? So आप उसको paper पर भी कर सकते हैं, but for certain dynamic sections afterward, I used to write on online. For example, fossils हैं, इन सब में contemporary बहुत ज़्यादा चलता रहता है. So I used to then use online, और उसमें मेरे को word limit का भी फ़ायदा मिलता था. ऑनलाइन में अब क्या है कि इट विल शो यू द वर्ड्स, इसमें तो क्या मैं एक एक करके गिनूंगा हर वक्त ही. आई यूज टू फोकस हेवीली ऑन वर्ड्स, नंबर ऑफ वर्ड्स. आई डोंट नो आपके केस में इफ इट इज एप्लीकेबल और नॉट, और वेदर इट इज रिकमेंडेड और नॉट, बट इट वर्क फॉर मी. हाँ, पेजेस तो ठीक है, बट यार अब आप बहुत छोटा छोटा लिख के बहुत ज़्यादा भर दोगे उसमें, आप देखना अल्टीमेटली दिस यू विल ओनली रियलाइज व्हेन यू गिव प्रॉपर टेस्ट, proper 3-hour test. या फिर do one thing, whatever answer you have developed, take a watch. Suppose से 10 marker है, 7 minutes में ideally it should be over. Try to do that. कर ही नहीं पाओगे अगर ज़्यादा लिख दिया तो. आप उसको कितना भी अच्छे से रट लो, एक एक वर्ड भी रट लो ना, you will not be able to finish. Suppose से 10 marker के लिए 300 words का आंसर बनाए बैठे हैं. Do you, even if you by heart the entire answer, word by word, letter by letter, just try writing in 7 minutes. Just see your speed. Maybe you can. I was not able to do. I was not able to even write say 200 words. Suppose से चलो कैसे भी करके लिख भी दिया, अब क्या पूरे 3 घंटे के पेपर में करूंगा? Would I be able to do that? नहीं ना. So always think about the broad picture. Ultimately you have to write an exam. You have to go and display whatever you know in that 3 hours. Does the examiner care about your knowledge which you have gained in 1 year? Or does he care what you have displayed in the 3 hours? So just I'll be kind of again telling you certain things again which I believe you must emphasize. I've already told them, but again I'll just mention. Focus on test, as I've said. Then only will you realize whether the way you are reading is right or not. And always again emphasizing, please focus on scholars and their books. Please do that. कोई भी एक चीज़ होती है ना, उसके लिखने के 2 ढंग होते हैं. एक है कि you just use normal sentences. एक है कि use it through scholars, through their books. For example, caste है. So you can write कि the upper caste they used to stay away from the lower caste. ठीक है, सही है, it is right. एक तरीका है कि लुइस ड्यूमोंट थ्रू हिज कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्योरिटी has highlighted that the upper caste used to maintain a distance from lower caste. कौन सा ज़्यादा impactful है? I have included a scholar, I have included a keyword, that is concept of purity, showcasing the same thing but in a different manner. So these things you have to develop. Scholars' books are very, very important. Diagrams are very important. Develop your own diagrams. For example, I just showed you one instance of mine. Develop them. Think about these. Contemporary relevance is very, very important, and it is one of the best ways to conclude your answers. Please remember, contemporary relevance as far as possible आप दिखा सकते हैं. Try to do it. And small things matter a lot. And these small things, I have to give full credit to sir. He taught me each and every small thing which matters. For example, you are quoting a scholar, a professor, Indian anthropologist. Write the word prof before the name. Small things matter a lot. Book hai, underline the book. Always try to remember the year of the book as well. Right? So show respect to the subject. This is not general studies. This is an optional subject. Show your appreciation, show your respect to the subject. Right? So ye small things also matter a lot in my humble opinion. And sir used to give a lot of emphasis on these things, and I felt that yes. And like I was saying, beach mein there was this point when I said that if sir is saying one thing, do not ignore it. He is saying it for a reason. And I have seen many of my friends, they used to think कि sir ये क्या बोल रहे हैं, ये काम की चीज़ नहीं है. Prof कौन आगे लगाएगा, ये कौन करेगा, ऐसे कौन करेगा. If he is saying one thing, if he is saying you to do that, please do not ignore it. आपका एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है, सर का ज़्यादा है. आप मास्टर इस सब्जेक्ट के कि सर हैं, तो यार सुन लो. And I am telling you, many of you will do this mistake. I have seen many of my friends who were part of the batches, they used to do that. कि सर को कहाँ से सर थोड़ी जो पेपर लिख रहे हैं, पेपर तो हम लिख रहे हैं, हमें पता है. That is very, very bad. I am not saying कि you should not develop your own thinking. Please do, definitely. But remember, these small things are going to make a difference. And अब मैं भी कह रहा हूँ यार, मेरी भी थोड़ी इज्जत कर लो. Right? So these things matter a lot. And these are common in all the toppers who score very good marks in anthro. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने कुछ बहुत ही नई चीज़ें कह दी. Maybe one or two things new, maybe one or two things which I have emphasized upon, but majority of the things remain the same. And if so many have been highlighting these things for the past so many years, there must be substance to it, right? Please do that.